Yep, same here. I bought this just to have. That way I already had something. Bought it just to have it for right now. Can we get down right here? It's the path is super overgrown. Right there. I'll fly it from here if we can't get down, but I like to. We can get right at the bridge. There's a path.
You go first, Dad. Yeah, because you got this.
You got me on video?
I do.
I did.
Look at that big honking bird.
You got this, Dad. Don't follow, because that might hurt.
You want to throw me the camera? That's going to be a good spin. Yep.
Even all this, holy shit.
Yeah.
That's sweet.
Been carved out. And for historical purposes.
Is that from the river coming up?
Yeah, but see that
river going down.
like rock out there in the middle? The big piece coming out?
Oh, yeah.
And then on that side, that's Rouge de Boeuf.
What is it?
That was a place where the Indians used to meet back before the War of 1812.
Wow.
And the Northwest Ohio, or Northwest Indian Wars. That was their meeting spot.
That's crazy.
I've kayaked all this. Yeah, when the water gets really low, you gotta move, you gotta pick the kayak up and get to. Yeah.
All to get.
Yeah. This stretch right here, you gotta pick it. The water gets low.
Wow.
Like, literally, you don't even have to take your shoes and socks off to walk over there.
Hey, that's wild.
James says the last carpet order to be late next week.
Hi.
Oh, Jeremy, watch out for water moccasins.
What are them?
Hey, they're not moccasins, they're not poisonous.
don't mess with adults, but little girls, woo.
Eat them alive.
Oh God.
Crunch, 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 crunch.
Goes aside from my soul. There goes aside, there goes aside. Now there goes aside from my soul. There goes aside from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul.
I think a fall angel just walked by. I think a fall angel just walked by. I think a fall angel just walked by.
I think it's all angels just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul.
Alright. As you can tell from the video, I just lost a quad in the river. Never been here. Got down a little too far. Fail-safed, or I started to twitch. Then it fail-safed, so I was actually going towards the shore trying to do something with it, and I just dropped. Not sure how long the battery in the GoPro lasted underwater, but we searched for about an hour, watched the DVR, and finally walked right into it. So, found the quad.
This knife has a straight edge on it, so it's very easy. And maybe in our world here, there lives a happy little mountain.